Came across an AAO file from the America's Army game and wondering how to use it? This map format powers custom levels in the U.S. Army's official game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle AAO map files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an AAO file. Here's a sneak peek. An .AAO file is a data file associated with America's Army, a series of tactical first-person shooter games developed by the U.S. Army. Players encounter these files within the game's installation directory, as they contain essential game data like maps, textures, character models, or other game assets. These files are typically proprietary binary archives or data containers based on the Unreal Engine, which powers the game. The format is designed to be efficiently loaded by the game engine, compressing assets to reduce disk space and improve loading times, while also obfuscating content from casual modification. There is a direct software link between AAO and America's Army by U.S. Army. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows provides no functional preview, so viewing game data relies on compatible modding applications. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your AAO file, then click Open With. Test America's Army if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If your AAO file will not open, do not worry. Failure of the main program tells us the AAO error is systemic. Let's not waste time. Here are 3 essential steps to troubleshoot the file right now. First, loading in America's Army. Place the AAO file in the America's Army Maps directory typically located within the Game Installation folder. Launch America's Army and host a multiplayer match selecting the custom map from the map list. Other players must have the same AAO file to join your custom map session. Next, editing with Unreal Ed. Install the America's Army map editor based on Unreal Ed from the official America's Army community resources. Open the AAO file via File, then open within the editor to modify geometry, textures, lighting, and gameplay elements, before saving back to AAO format for distribution. Finally, distributing custom maps. Share AAO files through America's Army community forums, map mirror sites, or dedicated mod hosting platforms. Include README documentation describing gameplay objectives and any specific game version requirements. Encourage players to verify file integrity before joining custom map servers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.